Hello everyone, welcome to Arth IAS. Dear students, as you do knowing that Prelims 2025 GS paper 1 has been conducted and we are here with GS paper 1 question paper. We will only see the paper in this video and later on we will come with the solution of this paper. So just have a look which kind of paper or the nature of paper, which portion had maximum weightage, which type of question it had. So let's start. So this is set B, right, of GS paper 1, and this set B starts with, you can say or you can call that with the toughest section, one of the toughest section of GS paper 1, that is science tech, right? And especially just like you can say any other year, questions are mostly typical. You can't answer this type of question in one go. It is time taking question, right? So you can clearly see that first question, it talks about consider the following types of vehicles. So as for last few years, especially electronic vehicles are in news, right? And again, hydrogen based fuels, right? Hydrogen based vehicles are also in news. So UPSC has asked this question. Again, second question, it is related with UAV, simply known as drones or unmanned aerial vehicles. Next, this is second question. Then again, this third question also related with science tech, and most of these topics are from current affairs topic, right? Again, fourth question, cigarette butts, eyeglasses lens, car tires, all these are related with current affairs, means you cannot call it general science, right? Again, it is related with ethanol, urea, such type of questions are there. Sixth question, again, chemical substances. So this question you can call, not call that these questions are simple, right? You cannot solve this type of question in one go. Again, this type of questions, as I told you, are time taking question. So definitely the it will affect the cutoff. We will discuss about cutoff in any another video, not here, right? So just have a quick look. Seventh question, again, science tech. Eighth question, again, what, monoclonal antibodies, science tech. Ninth question, virus bacteria. 10th question, and one more thing is here, or last especially last 2 years, the importance of elimination technique has been reduced, right? So I don't say that it has completely eliminated, but its importance, means elimination technique, has reduced, right? Again, 10th question, activated carbon, right? Activated carbon, again, activated carbon. 11th question, carbon dioxide emission, right? And you can say that statements are very long, right? It would, if you, even if you know, it would take 2 to 3 minutes to solve, right? You cannot solve this type of question in one go, time taking questions. Again, 12th question, COP 28, current affair based question. So if you have done current affair, obviously, or students who have done current affair in very well, they could easily solve this type of question. But time taking, always I am repeating, time taking question. Next, 13th question, and here again options are also very long. Both statement 2 and 3 are correct, this type of question. And again, when I discuss PYQs or even my MCQs, like I have included such type of options. And again, I will start MCQs on daily basis, right? You can go and practice. right? Again 13th number question, directly you can say science tech, right? Again you can see statements, same type of statement in 12th question, same, and 13th number question, again same type of options. Next 14th number question, it is related with, you can say, environment, Paris agreement, climate change, right? Again statements are, you can read, statements are very long, right? Again option, same option in 12, 13 and 14, same options. 15th though short type of question, and if you know then it would take few seconds. Then again 16th question, 16th number question, direct air capture, again related with science tech. No doubt options are again little bit longer. 17th number question, again related with current affair, right? Environment related, right? And again you cannot apply here, or hardly you can apply elimination technique, right? Again 18th number question related with environment, right? CO2 emission, and previous section we have already seen there was a question related with CO2. Carbon means, carbon, topic of carbon is UPSC's, you can say, one of the favorite topic, emission related topic, CO2 or carbon. Next 19th number question, right? This is related with herbs, right? You can call, or you can correlate this topic with environment. Mostly they were, most of these plants were in news. Next 20th number question, again rainforest, marine phytoplankton and well oxygenated surface water. Next related with history, and again Raja Ram Mohan Roy, one of the famous political personality in Indian history, especially in Indian, modern Indian history, right? Question is from Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Again non-cooperation movement, right? So non-cooperation, there are two questions from this topic in the same paper, as I always tell you that UPSC repeats, okay, or gives question from same topic in the same paper, 2 to 3 questions. Later on we will see same another question from this topic. So 22nd number question. Next 23rd number question, irrigation device, right? So even you can solve it if you know, and you can skip if you don't know, right? Again this is also related with ancient history, and mostly UPSC focuses on terms, important words. Faiyan, famous traveler, famous Chinese traveler, right? Faiyan, Huansang, all these are one of the famous Chinese traveler, and UPSC repeatedly asked question from this person. And this is a straightforward question. If you know, you hardly it will take second, right? Contemporary to, or Faiyan, the Chinese pilgrim, traveled to India during the reign of which ruler? Very simple question. It is Chandragupta II, right? Again, this is related with history, right? Again, 27 number question. If you know, then you can. It would take time, right? And here you can apply elimination technique, but question is also tough, not easy. Next, 28th question, right? One word. If you know, you can go or you can skip. Ashokan inscription, and very, I would say, if you read and mostly focus on administration of the royal empires, then you can solve this. Pradeshika Rajuka Yukta, obviously related with administration, but which kind of administration? This is the question. Because village level administration, district level administration, provincial administration, level of central administration, right? Next 13th number question, again as I told you that same topic, non-cooperation movement, two questions from same topic. Now this is related with economics. 31st question, again 32nd number question, again related with economics. 33rd, 30th, right? So this is the question related with different organization. Directorate of Enforcement, right? ED is in news. Directorate of Revenue Intelligence. Also, these bodies are mostly in news for last few years. So always, whenever I suggest you, then I suggest you that do not only read current affairs of 1 year. Even UPSC is asking topics from current affairs of last 2 to 3 years. And again, this paper is proof. We will see other topics also. It has asked 2022 and 2023's current affairs, right? So you can correlate this with governance. Next, again, Reserve Bank question related with Reserve Bank, and this topic is related with economics, right? Again, this is 35th number question. Again, you can see the statements or options, right? Options, statements are longer, and again, options are also long. Next, 36th number question. India has joined Mineral Security Partnership as a member. Again, very deep question, not easy question, right? 37th number question, again related with economics. And you can see, always I told you that this paper is time taking paper. If I am not wrong, then many students, right, would not have been able to complete this paper within time, within 2 hours. But experience, right? And that's why here mocks are also important. Again, same type of statement. So again, UPSC has given same type of statement in so many questions. Next, 38th number question, again related with economics, stock market, equity. 39th number question, circular economy, right? Emission of greenhouse gases. Circular economy reduces raw material into, yes, raw materials as inputs. Circular economy. So again related with economy. Capital receipts, borrowings, again related with economics. 41st number question, listen, especially after Russia-Ukraine war, NATO is in news, and it has asked the members of NATO. So mostly, I think most of the students would be able to solve this question. This is map based question, right? Map based question. Again, map based question. Serially, right? Serially, two map based questions. Next, 44th number question. Again, it is related with turmeric. Now, 45th question, continental drift, related directly from geography, right? And this is given in NCERT, right? If you have done, you can easily solve this question. The options are again longer. Next, 46th number question, dust particles, subtropical and temperate areas, again related with geography. Again, this is also related with 47th number question, also related with geography. And again, you can see the statement options. 48th number question, again related with rocks, geography. Now, 49th number question, again atmosphere, temperature, freezing point, directly related with geography. So geography section is doable section. Your foundation should be very strong. NCERT should be done in perfect manner. You can easily answer this question. Again, Rashtriya Gokul Mission, related with, you can correlate this with current affair, right? 51st number question, right? I will come with the separate solution, okay, with a separate video of solution of polity, governance, and IR related topics, and I would give the link in the description box. I have mentioned all the topics that has come in the UPSC, this paper. I've already told you before a few days that important topics you should revise before prelims, and I have especially mentioned panchayats. Right? Question is from panchayat. Next, related with BIMSTEC, current affair, IR related issue, Gandhi Peace Prize. Though generally student skip such type of, but for last 2 to 3 years you should not skip two topics, that is prize and second sports. Again, two questions are from sports this year, and it started with 2021. That is UPSC started asking question from sports. We will see, right? Again, current affair based topic, Gagan technology, right? Grand Palias Paris Agreement, right? Grand Palias Paris in February 25. So recent question. Again, this is factual question, and again current affair based question, right? Easily you can solve this if you have read. BRICS, again BRICS is in news, right? So again question with BRICS. Again, I have also mentioned in my previous video. I will give that link of that video. You can go and watch that I have mentioned these topics or not. Lokpal, right? Directly question from Lokpal, and I have especially mentioned Lokpal, right? 59 number question, again related with sports. As I told you that it started again with 2021. UPSC started asking question from 2021 related with sports. 59 number question, again 60th question, right? Also related with sports, that is chess. 61 number question, right? Rare earth elements, right? Geography. 62, right? 63, again science tech and current affair based question, space missions, right? Easily, I think most of the students can do that, right? Gaganyaan space dex or axiom 4. Next, again exercise or aircraft, right? Different types of aircraft. Next, artificial way of causing rainfall, also in news. Very simple question. Most of the students know that artificial rain can be, right, created using silver nitrate and potassium iodide. Very simple question. Again, now this question, pardoning power of president. I have made a separate video in so much detail that you cannot skip any question, right? Around 55 minutes or 56 minutes video is there. I will again give the link in the description box, right? I have made a separate video on this topic, and not only 5 or 6 months before, only few days before prelims. I have covered holistically this topic, pardoning power of president and government. You can watch this video. I will give the link in the description box. Again, this is related with parliament. Always I insist that do not skip parliament. And again, I have mentioned the important topics under important topics video section of parliament, right? Though options are quite longer. 68th number question, again related with parliament and disqualification, right? Although also I have mentioned that qualification, disqualification and 10th schedule. I have especially mentioned 10th schedule, right? Then 69th number question, state government, right, related with minerals, and central government related with minerals. Though same type of questions were asked few years ago, right? Again, 17th number question. This is, you can see. Next, time taking question of economics. right? Revenue deficit, fiscal deficit, primary deficit. You should be able to calculate it. You should know the formula, how it is calculated, right? Calculation based question, right? But if you are not or you don't know the exact formula, you will not be able to solve. Again, international north south transport corridor, current affair related topic. Two major ethanol producers in the world, related with ethanol, or you can correlate this with what? EVS plus IR. Again, statements are same type of statement, longer statements. Next, World Bank, right? Mostly it is related with environment and disaster. Next, again, calculation based question, same, right? So again, it is time taking question related with economics. Now, 76th number question. Which of the following statement with regard to recommendation of 15th Finance Commission of India are correct? Right. Again, when I in that video of important topics that you should revise for prelims, I have especially mentioned Finance Commission. Right, Chief Election Commission, Finance Commission, and again you can see question is from Finance Commission, though it is related with 15th Finance Commission. IBRD, right? IR related topic. RTGS, NEFT, economics related topic, and basically this is very practical question, very practical question. Right, related with NEFT, RTGS. Again, consider the following countries. How many countries amongst the are there other than India where international merchant payment are accepted under UPI? Very practical question. Very practical question. Right? PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. Current affair topic. Now, polity. I have especially insisted that you should revise president and governor simultaneously. See the question. Again, geography or environment related, you can say constitutional. Sorry, not geography, but polity. Right? Though national parks have been included, but here Constitutional Amendment Act is there. So you can. This question is from polity section. Again, initially a Part C state, obviously related with state and union territories. 83rd number question with polity. With reference to India, consider the following, right? Interstate Council, National Security Council, Zonal Council. Right? So how many of the above were established as per provision of Constitution of India? Right? We will discuss in separate video. Right? Just have a quick look. Again, related with polity. Right? You can see that topic is from Governor President. And recently, the President of India has asked for the recommendation, or you can say presidential recommendation. Right? Article 143 is in news. Next, 85th number question. Right? Listen, this option was repeated in 2020. Same option. Separation of judiciary from the executive in the public services of a state is under DPSP. Article, which article? 50. Right? And I have insisted in that video of important topics, right, that you should correlate DPSP, fundamental duties, fundamental rights, and preamble. And I have especially insisted. You can watch. I will give the link in the description box. And that time I have told you that you should correlate, because UPSC will ask which of the following common to all or belong to, or it can give you match the following. And see, the question is here. Again, I have also, when in that same video I have insisted along with state and union territories, you should go for 5th and 6th schedule. Question is from 5th schedule, right? And evidence is in the description box. You can go and watch that video. Eighty-seventh question, with reference to India, consider the following, right? Again, you can correlate with governance topic, right? Under means which board or organization comes under which ministry. And for last 2 to 3 years, again UPSC has started asking organization and related ministry. 88th question, subject under Constitution of India, right? If your polity is strong, you can easily answer this question. And again here, governor, executive power of state, and 7th schedule. Again, I have already insisted in that video that you should revise governor and president simultaneously. See how many questions are from president and governor. If you have done that topic, you cannot or you could not skip this type of question. Again, 19th number question, petroleum and natural gas related. 91, sedition has become my religion. Again, I have insisted that in the same video that you should read about political philosophy, about Gandhism, Marxism, right, socialism, secularism, communism, and that time I have told you that you should read about these thinkers. Thinkers why? See, statements of, right, though you can correlate with history, but statement of Gandhiji. Right, directly from Indus Valley civilization, and very simple question, I would say, very simple question. 93rd question, who provided legal defense, again related with history, modern Indian history. And in modern Indian history, if you are skipping Gandhi, you are creating a blunder. So see the question, right? Again related with Gandhi. Now, right, history or not history, sorry, it is related with geography. And last 4 questions, last 97th number question, again, right, geography. And such type of questions are UPSC's favorite question. It gives a statement and you have to choose, right? So you can see that this is also related with time zone. This question is also related with time zone. 96 and 97 number question are related with time zones. 98th number question, self-respect movement. Very simple question. Periyar. Very simple question. Right? 99th number question, geography. And lastly, 100th question, right? Information. Countries, right? Region and country. Again related with geography. So this was GS paper 1 of prelims 2025. We will come with the solution later on. Till then, thank you and best of luck for CSET paper